Ever thought a dehumidifier was all you needed to keep your basement dry? You're not alone. But here's what you really need to protect your home. A dehumidifier helps by reducing the humidity levels in your basement. It pulls in moist air, cools it to condense the water, and then releases drier air. Sounds good, right? Hold on. While dehumidifiers help with humidity, they're not good at drying water from the floor, and they don't tackle the root problem, water intrusion. The water can still seep through your walls and floors, leading to mold, mildew, and severe structural damage. Plus, the water collected by the dehumidifier needs proper drainage. Otherwise, you're back to square one. That's why you need a full waterproofing system, including wall seal, interior drainage channels, a sump pump, and exterior drainage to channel the water out. A dehumidifier is crucial, but it needs to be part of a bigger plan. And installing a dehu isn't just plug and play. You don't want to do it yourself with this one. A professionally installed dehumidifier not only works efficiently, but also helps extend the life of your entire waterproofing system. It reduces mold risk, protects your belongings, and keeps your indoor environment healthy all year. So, protecting your basement starts with a comprehensive waterproofing system. For long-term peace of mind, trust the experts at Groundworks to keep your basement dry and healthy.